Hello, this is Peter Aziz again. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on magical protection. First thing you might ask is, what do I need protection from? What's this going to do for you? Why do I need it? Well, apart from the things people talk about like black magic and entities and so on, there are many dangers in this modern world coming from mind control, EMF attacks, electromagnetic frequencies, and even psionics. I've noticed this myself. I actually realized it was happening because when I was on a train sitting behind a couple of policemen going to a mind warfare training. So I heard all about it, how they're going to have special training and computers with psionic software they can attack people with and bring them down. Anybody who goes against the system, basically, which is, it's many of us. So there's many energies out there we can bring you down. Apart from that, those who are opening spiritually find that when they're open to the astral, entities start noticing you. And without you even knowing, they're draining your energy, so you're going down in your energy, causing various problems. And of course, then you might actually get attacked by a black magician. So this workshop is a practical one, giving you tools to deal with this. First of all, you're going to learn banishing rituals, so you can actually banish all negative energies from your space. But also to make it easier, I'm going to be giving some orbs. These are magical empowerments, so you can actually use it just by intention any time. So once you've got those, it's easy to use. There'll be magic orbs for cleansing for yourself, as well as for protecting your business and clearing your workspace. So obviously those who are actually in business or particularly doing healing need to clear the space of negative entities. And those who actually run any kind of spiritual healing business find that's more under attack too. And clearing that will greatly improve your business. So these orbs are going to make it easier. Once you've learned the principles and the banishing rituals, these orbs make it easy to clear everything and keep yourself safe. So if you're ready to go for life free of all these problems and free of all this heaviness that holds you back and work more successfully and happily, then this is for you. So press that button and I'll catch you there.